This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Candizest C Gel is an effective solution for managing vaginal infections. This gel combines clindamycin and clotrimazole to provide relief from discomfort and restore balance. Indications and uses. This medication is primarily prescribed to manage various types of vaginal infections, including bacterial vaginosis and yeast infections. In addition to treating these infections, it also helps alleviate associated symptoms such as itching and irritation, ensuring a more comfortable experience for users. How it works. Candizest C Gel effectively targets both bacterial and fungal infections through its dual-action formulation. Clindamycin inhibits bacterial growth, while clotrimazole disrupts fungal cell function. Directions for use. To use this gel, carefully apply it deep into the vagina using the provided applicator. It is crucial to follow the prescribed dosage and duration as directed by your healthcare provider. After application, wash your hands thoroughly to maintain hygiene and avoid vaginal intercourse and the use of other vaginal products during treatment. Possible side effects. Some users may experience mild side effects, including vaginal itching, irritation, or discharge. If these symptoms persist or worsen, it is advisable to consult a healthcare provider. Precautions and warnings. Prior to using this gel, inform your healthcare provider about any pre-existing medical conditions, especially diabetes or immune system issues. It is also important to discuss any medications you are currently taking to avoid potential interactions. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this gel? It is used to manage vaginal infections and reduce associated itching. 2. How does it work? It combines an antibacterial and an antifungal agent to eliminate infections. 3. How should it be applied? Use the applicator to insert the gel deep into the vagina, following the prescribed instructions. 4. What if I miss a dose? Use it as soon as you remember, but skip it if it's close to the next dose. 5. Are there any side effects? Some may experience mild itching or irritation. Consult a doctor if these persist. Thank you for watching. We hope this video provided valuable information. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below.